Hello again. This is Math 1220, coming to you from the College of DuPage. The title of this lecture is, What is Solver and How Do I Install It? You should realize it's free with your free Microsoft 365 from the College of DuPage as a student. As always, be an active learner while you watch this video. In fact, the expectation is that you should have Solver installed as soon as possible. So what is Solver? Solver is an analysis tool in Excel, and you have to do an add-in to do it, but it will be free. The Solver tool is used to find the best solution. We could talk about optimal solution, the maximum, the minimum, and so on and so forth for problems, and the problems can be linear, which is what we're studying, or nonlinear. So you see, Solver is a very powerful technique that you might even use in future work if you end up addressing nonlinear equations. But we're going to be focusing on, of course, linear. Solver, again, can be used to maximize or minimize the output based on certain impacting variables. Now, Solver can solve optimization problems, max and min problems like maximizing profit and minimizing the cost. This is pretty much how we're going to be using it. You can use it to solve arithmetic equations as well, and we're going to be dealing with linear programming problems in doing this. But it's a very powerful tool and can solve much larger problems than what we had, and this is going to be one of the things that I would expect you to be able to do on the upcoming comprehensive final exam. So here's how you do it. Go to Excel in your 365 version from the College of DuPage. Go to the File menu. So we first click on the File menu. Now what will happen is there will be under the File menu a thing where you can select options. It's down here. It is usually the last thing. So select then Options. You'll get a browser view that looks like this. And here are all your options. You're going to click on Add-ins, and Add-ins then will allow you, and it will show you kind of add-ins that you can get, so you're picking, and it looks like Solver Add-ins comes up. If Solver Add-ins doesn't come up, click Data Analysis here. But anyway, this is an add-on, and the add-ins will actually be down here, and this will be a pull-down menu. But you go to the add-ins, and you either select Data Analysis Tools or something, then you go here, and this is a pull-down menu as well. So you go to this pull-down menu for Excel add-ins, and what you will find is there is a number of things, but you go to the Solver add-in, which is shown here, and you check it, and then you click OK. And then you should be good to go. Now you know if you're successful because, and you may have to log in again to Excel, but what happens is that whenever you go to the Data tab in Excel, Solver will show up over here. So that's kind of your test to see if you've done it correctly. And you want to do your best to have Solver loaded as soon as possible. And you should only have to do this once. In closing, now more than ever, time is precious. Each day must count. Do the math. It will make you strong. And now, more than ever, take care of yourself and of each other. We are all in this together. And may God bless you all.